Wilson, Managing Director at ProgrammExpress, providing a short video for the Drax Group. ProgrammExpress is a web-based portfolio program and project reporting application. It's a URL we'll be demonstrating using our demo system, but each client has their own URL, so it'd be Drax or draxgroup.programmexpress.co.uk. You can log on as an administrator, write access or read-only user. I'm going to log on as the administrator. The administrator can see all projects, can see all modules, and can make admin configuration changes. So the idea of ProgrammExpress is that you go to the home screen and you start to view your programs and projects that sit within the portfolio. Purely demonstration structure, and this is totally configurable as to how you set it all up. But from this screen, you can see all the projects. You can have a look at the RAG status by the certain modules, and you can actually enter the screen of the module and make updates or view the data. In terms of the modules, you'll see commentary, plan, resources, costs, benefits, impacts, risks, and logs. Not all of this functionally has to be used, and it can be filtered out if you so wish. The idea of ProgrammExpress is short, simple updates by the project manager or the user, and then powerful, aggregated, consolidated program and portfolio reports by the administrator or indeed anybody else. So it's simple input and powerful output. This is the experience for the administrator if I were the user, and I shall log on as a user that has restricted access and only access to a few projects. So you'll see here access to 4 projects, and if I want to make my updates to the projects, I will click on the project, highlight it, and then go into the modules that have been selected for me to specifically update. So you'll see a filtered view where a lot of the modules are missing because there is no requirement for this project manager. So simply click on the project. You can have a look at the updates that have been made. You can make new updates in terms of write a comment, and then you can make further updates in terms of the plan. You can make amendments to the plan, amendments to the dates. You can have a review of the budget and the costs, and you can make any changes that need to be made there. And logs, actions, issues, decisions can be stored within here as an audit trail for future reference. So very simple to make that update. And indeed, if I want to have a look at reports to see how it looks, I can run reports that I've set up, a one-page summary. So this sits nicely on a PowerPoint slide, and it's very much a summary of timeline, commentary, bit of financial information, bit of RAG status information. Or maybe I want to run a one-page overview, more of a word style report, just showing you some examples of the specific individual project reports here, where I can see commentary information, plan, and then risks, actions, issues, decisions for my specific project. The project manager has made their updates. The administrator can start to review the updates and indeed can start to run the aggregated program and portfolio reports. So now we know that the updates have been made, and within reports there are numerous administrator reports to have a look at the health of the data. But now we know we can start to run reports at any level of the structure or the tree. I'll choose the project's portfolio structure, some reports that have been set up, and the first one would be the RAG status summary, replacing the need for an Excel report. Everything consolidates into this one Excel style looking report, or reports written in PDF, and you'll see here all the projects and the commentary threads that we've set up, planning information, or whatever we've configured for this specific report. We can have a look at the Gantt chart report, which is basically the plan across the whole portfolio. So this is producing every plan for every project and program within the application or within the portfolio. We show red, amber, green as the task bars, amber being forecasting to be later than expected, and red being completely missed, and green being on track. Just a very, very simple video demonstration of ProgrammExpress about simple data input and powerful output. Now, in terms of implementation, it's very simple to set up, configure, train, and load. If I were to go into the ProgrammExpress implementation project, I could run the Gantt chart weekly report and show you what that plan looks like in terms of the steps required to make the best use of ProgrammExpress. So you'll see here that we'd have a trial period, which would go from sort of like the 21st of January through to roughly the 12th of April, and then we're into commercials and decisions as to whether we can move forward. Under normal circumstances, from the initiation and commercials, it is approximately a month to configure, set up, train and load data, and then start to review the reports and sharing live with the business. So that really completes the short video of ProgrammExpress. As I keep reiterating, it's about having all the data in one place. It's about having a simple portal to enter data and no need to aggregate and consolidate the data before sharing with senior stakeholders. That should be automatic through the reporting. There's lots more functionality we can show, but this is just a short view of ProgrammExpress. Thank you for watching.